So this is really exciting. Welcome to the Velux commercial booth. What we have here is we're introducing one of our dome families. This is the Dynamic Dome. We also have traditional domes and energy domes. So this bad boy is really exciting. Comes with a 15-year hail warranty, FM testing, and a 15-year product warranty. So what we're looking at is the optics within the dome. So no matter where the solar disk is in the sky, it allows for perpendicular entry and light projection through the system. So low angle light is the value here. So that whole diamond patterning is an optical aspect. Then you can see some rigid bands here. The rigid bands help with durability. Also that next generation polycarbonate that helps with that hail warranty. We've looked at optics, now let's look at some water management. So we have a thermal brake system and we have a single extruded frame, nice rigid piece there. We allow for a wide condensation tray, gutters, weep holes if you can get into here, and a wicking fabric that allows to draw the moisture out. So again, skylights are about water management. And then you can see that this is a dry sealed system, so no sealants needed. It's got a double seal here between the glazing, and then also a spacer between the glazing to allow any condensation between that would build up to go ahead and evacuate out through the system. So love that. We love the warranties. We love the product durability. We love the optics for light collection for wellness. We're an 80-year-old global manufacturer, so check us out. Thank you.